how to make all Facebook posts private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook post to private in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up your Facebook app and then go to the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings again. After that, scroll down until you find activity log. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on your Facebook activity. There you'll find post. So tap on the drop down and then tap on your post, photos and videos. Here you'll be able to see all the photos that you've posted on Facebook. Now, if you want to change only one Facebook post, then you can tap on the three lines beside the post, and there you'll see change audience option. You can tap on it and then set it to only me. However, there are a lot of posts, and if you want to change all of the posts into only me, then you can tap on the all option on the top and you can go to the three line beside trash option and change audience from there. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.